أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. My dear students and my dear viewers, today I'm making a video for mud prolongation. Okay, and in this video I will tell you how many kinds of madda: madde muttasil, madde munfasil, madde aris, madde leen aris, madde lazim. Inshallah I will tell about Qalqalah letters, how many Qalqalah letters, and how to pronounce all the letters. Okay, so this video would be very informative and very useful. So my humble request to all of you, please, those who want to teach online Quran in all over the world in English and Urdu, so please watch complete this video. Share this video on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Facebook. Thank you. This is mud prolongation. Mud sign. This is long mud. Indicates to prolong, stretch the madda letters alif, waw and ya, or leen letters waw and ya. Note: there are several kind of mud. Duration of stretching 4 to 6 measures of haraka, and it depends on adjacent letters in a word. The detailed rules are essential for advanced learner only, but we should understand the basic mud. Number 1, this is the madde muttasil, madde munfasil, madde aris waqfi, and number 4, madde lazim. Alright, now we are going to learn madde muttasil, long mud. The mud long, in which after mud letter the next letter is hamza in the same word, is called madde muttasil. It is prolonged from 4 to 6 measures of haraka. For example, jaa, the hamza letter is appeared in the same word, so this is a madde muttasil. Right, this is a madde muttasil. And number 2 point, number 2, madde munfasil, short mud. Okay, this is the long mud. The mud in which after madda letter the next letter is hamza in the beginning of the next word is called madde munfasil. The mud in which after madda letter the next letter is hamza in the beginning of the next word is called madde munfasil. It is optional and may be prolonged from 4 to 6 measures of a haraka, 4 to 6 seconds. Right? La ilaha. This is the hamza. Okay, after mad hamza is appearing, the beginning of the next word is called madde munfasil. Yatba'uha adhan. Right? Okay, this is the number 3, madde aris waqfi. This is the madde aris waqfi. The mad in which after mad or leen letter the haraka movement of the last letter of the word will be changed into a sukoon, which is temporary due to stopping, is called madde aris waqfi. It is also optional and may be prolonged from 4 to 6 measures of haraka, 4 to 6 seconds. Right? One nasi what teen. Okay, what teen. This is the madde aris waqfi. What teen mashhood min khawf. Okay, you make a izhar here because after nun sakina third letter is coming. Okay, so you make izhar here. And khawf and this is a Madde Aris Waqfi. Okay. Okay, students, look. Point number 4, Madde Lazim. The mad in which after mad letter there is an original sukoon or shadda. In the same word or in the starting of next word is called Madde Lazim. It is prolonged from 4 to 6 measures of haraka, 4 to 6 seconds. Leen. This is a Madde Lazim. Allahu Al-Ana. Okay, this is the Madde Lazim. Okay, echo and Qalqalah letters. Okay, these are all very important. There are 5 echo or Qalqalah letters. When these letters come in the Quran with a sukoon, we make an echo sound after sukoon by opening the lips. We shall pronounce them with more force when there is a shadda, right? This is the shadda sign, and we call W sign, curve sign also, on the letter, and a little letter, okay, and a little lighter when there is a sukoon. This is the sukoon. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. Okay, these are all Qalqalah letters. Qutubu jaddin, qutubu jaddin. So I hope you will like this video, and thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.